Hello, Frema Engel.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. How are you, Sue?
Good. Very well. Thank you. Frema is one of our speakers at the It's My Day event, April 13th. And Frema is an experienced psychotherapist, facilitator, trainer, and consultant in the educational, healthcare, and business communities. She's been a pioneer in developing trauma mental health services and programs. Frema has worked to respectful, collaborative workplace cultures. Frema, tell us a little bit about the workshop you will be presenting April 13 at the It's My Day event.
Well, first of all, Sylvie, I'm really excited to be part of this event and to present this workshop. You know, it's time we broke some sacred cows, and I think mental health is one of them. Shh, we're not allowed to talk about it.
I know.
Nobody wants to hear about it. But you know, I figure if Prince Harry and Prince William can go on television and talk about how their mother's death affected them, well, then maybe we can have some conversation about how life situations affect us.
Yeah.
And in my workshop, I'm going to talk about how to decode the mind-body connection. Did you know that we have 100 billion neurons in the brain? And that serves, and part of those neurons, they're all in memory networks. And along the memory networks, we have things that flow smoothly when we have good memories. But when we have bad things happen to us, then there's blockages. It's almost like the 70-car pile up on the 401 when there's a big storm. A storm causes the blockages. And it's the same with us. And so what happens with this blockages, we don't only get blockages in our brain, we feel it in our body. And that's just a tip of the iceberg that I'm going to be talking about at the workshop. As well, I'm going to share with people some newfound knowledge for me, new practices on how to help us get over this and get on with our lives.
Oh, wow. We all need to hear you, Frema. I can't wait. And thank you for being there for us. And I'm sure that a lot of teachers will want to hear what you have to say about that. Thank you, Frema. I really look forward to seeing you April 13. I invite all teachers, educators, everybody working in education to join us April 13th at the Novotel Hotel in Ville Saint-Laurent. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone, and see you all.